Three potential areas which AI can harm patient safety and how can we confront them.
AI innovation and patient safety. Hello everyone, welcome to the Lancet Summaries YouTube channel. In this session, we are honored to have Dr. Arash Bakhtiari, who is an expert in the field of artificial intelligence and participated in this session from Denmark. Dr. Salamati, could you please tell us what you are going to talk about in this session?
Actually, the Lancet Digital Health published an interesting editorial in September. It shows us, although all of us are so enthusiastic about new advances in AI, some dangers are looming. Misinformation and disinformation productions, biased automated decision makings, and extensive unemployment are some of terrible consequences of these evolutions. So we ought to think about some solutions.
Dr. Salamati, what do the authors of this study want to discuss more specifically?
The others are going to emphasize on patient safety because you know that we need more regulations to safeguard patient safety. And sadly, little has been done. So governments must release and approve strong legislation in three different areas.
And in your opinion, what is the first area that needs legislation to ensure patient safety?
I believe that misinformation and disinformation productions are the first area. British Medical Journal, which is a prestigious journal, published an article recently about how LLM of AI can create false contents so realistic. However, they can be wrong guidelines and mislead people. For example, during COVID-19 pandemic, AI created some deepfakes which increased vaccine hesitancy and harmed societies.
Dr. Bakhtiari, could you please tell us about your perspective regarding what should be done to avoid the production of misinformation by the LLMs?
LLMs, like those used in chatbots or digital assistants, can sometimes provide incorrect or misleading information. This is especially concerning in areas like healthcare or news, where accuracy is critical. Here's how we work to control misinformation from these models. 1. The information and LLMs provides is only as good as the data it is trained on. So we carefully select high quality, accurate data to reduce the chance of the AI generating false information. 2. LLMs are general purpose models, but when we adjust them with information from specific fields, they become better at answering accurately in those areas. For example, training an LLM specifically with medical information helps it provide reliable answer to healthcare-related questions. 3. In areas where accuracy is critical, such as legal or medical advice, having humans review AI responses add a layer of safety. Experts can check the AI's answers for any mistakes before they are shared with others. By becoming these steps, we can reduce the chance of LLMs spreading misinformation, helping to keep the information they provide accurate.
Dr. Salamati, what is the second area that needs legislation?
The second area is health equity. To be more specific, Michael Marmot and Jessica Allen are two international figures who conducted many researches about health equity in the UK. They showed that in the UK, health inequalities were growing among different social groups and regions. They proved that those had lived in the most deprived areas had worse health conditions. In other words, those with higher social classes have more access to AI technologies and health information. As a result, their health will be greater.
Dr. Bakhtiyari, could you please elaborate on how bias in AI can be managed to, ensure the fairness for everyone?
Bias in AI happens when the AI gives unfair or unequal result for certain group of people. For instance, if a facial recognition system works better for one skin tones than another, that's a biased outcome. To prevent this, we focus on making AI fair for everyone. If we only train AI with data that includes a narrow group of people, the AI might not work well for others. So, we use a wide variety of data that represent different races, genders, and age groups. This way, the AI learns to treat everyone fairly. Also, I need to mention that even with diverse data, I can sometimes develop unexpected biases. We test the AI on different groups to make sure it doesn't favor or discriminate against anyone. At the same time, I need to mention that some AI tools like black boxes, meaning we can't easily see why they make certain decisions. By designing AI that are more transparent, we can understand why they make certain choices. This makes it easier to catch and fix any biases. In sensitive areas like healthcare or hiring, it is essential to have a human involved in the decision-making process. For instance, a hiring AI might screen resumes, but a person should make the final decision. This extra layer of human review helps catch mistakes that AI might miss. Also, I need to mention that before releasing AI to the public, we check for bias one last time using tools designed to find unfair pattern. If we find any, we make adjustment to fix them. At last, I need to mention that bias can emerge over time, even after AI is deployed. We continuously monitor AI to catch any new biases as they appear, making adjustments as necessary to keep it fair.
Dr. Salamati, would you please explain about the last area?
The third area is cybersecurity. You know that hackers are able to attack patients' data and hospital information systems. For instance, a couple of months ago, 8.5 million computers were attacked by hackers when they were adjusting patients' appointments, and they could harm much to health information system. Interestingly, a few months ago, we discussed the issue in another video called Cyber Attacks on Hospitals.
Also, in this channel, we previously discussed the new innovations in the field of AI in a video called Frontiers in AI.
Besides, we have already talked about LLMs and healthcare systems in a video called Large Language Models and Digital Health. Dr. Bakhtiyari, could you please tell us how LLMs can be used in healthcare systems and what tools make it possible?
Okay, LLMs have the potential to assist in various healthcare areas, from supporting doctors to interacting with patients. Here's how they can help. LLMs can analyze a large amount of medical information quickly, helping doctors make informed decisions. For instance, and LLMs could suggest possible diagnose or treatment options based on a patient symptoms, acting like a second option. Also, writing clinical notes is time consuming. LLMs can generate these notes automatically by summarizing doctor-patient conversation, saving time and reducing paperwork. Some healthcare systems use LLMs to answer common patient questions through chatbots or virtual assistants. This is essentially helpful for answering non-urgent questions about medications, treatment options, or appointment scheduling, freeing up healthcare workers for more critical tasks. Also, I need to mention that several LLMs like MedPal, developed by Google, BioGPT from Microsoft, and Dragon Medical One by Nuance are specifically designed for healthcare and help doctors with tasks like those mentioned above. Platforms such as Epic System and Kerner are already work on integrating LLMs into their electronic health record system to streamline workflow and improve patient care. By integrating LLMs truthfully and safely, we can improve healthcare efficiency, make doctors' job easier, and provide patients with quicker responses to their questions. Thank you.
Dr. Salamati, what is your conclusion in overall?
We know that AI can generate many benefits for human beings, but we should be well prepared for preventing misinformation and disinformation productions, addressing health equity, and maintaining cybersecurity. Otherwise, we will have many challenges in the future.
Thank you for your thorough explanations and your time. In this session, we reviewed the paper titled Balancing AI Innovation and Patient Safety, published in the Lancet Digital Health in September. Once again, the goal of this YouTube channel is to provide a summary of medical health topics recently published in the Lancet journals. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments below this video, and subscribe to our channel.